In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comma to separate thousands in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple formatting change, but it can make a big difference in how easy your spreadsheet is to read. When large numbers are displayed without separators, they can look crowded and harder to understand at a glance. Adding commas between thousands helps organize the digits visually, so values like 1000 become 1000 and 1000 becomes 1000,000. To get started, open your Excel file and find the number or group of numbers you want to format. Once you've located them, select the cell or cells where you want the commas to appear. You can click a single cell if you only need to change one number, or click and drag to highlight multiple cells if you want to apply the same formatting to a whole range at once. This can save time if you're working with a larger table of data. After selecting the cells, right-click on the highlighted area. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Format Cells. When you do this, a formatting panel will open on the right side of the screen. This is where Excel gives you different options for how your data should be displayed. In that right side panel, look for the Number tab. In many cases, it may already be selected, but if not, go ahead and choose it. Under that section, you'll see a drop-down field that controls the category of number formatting. Click that drop-down and select Number. This tells Excel that you want the selected cells to be displayed as standard numeric values. Once you choose Number, you'll see an option called Use Thousands Separator. Check that box. As soon as you do, Excel will automatically update the selected cells, and your numbers will display with commas separating the thousands. Keep in mind that this changes the way the numbers look, not the actual values stored in the cells. That means your formulas and calculations will still work normally. This is especially useful if you're preparing reports, budgets, sales sheets, or any spreadsheet where readability matters. If needed, you can quickly review the updated cells to make sure the formatting was applied the way you wanted. And if you selected multiple cells, the formatting should now be consistent across all of them. And that's it. You've successfully added commas to separate thousands in Microsoft Excel.